If you collect crypto art for the art, then one of the first things you consider after purchasing your first digital art is, how can I display this at home? Well, I did, and I continue to, so let me show you one of my solutions. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is Samsung's The Frame TV. It's a TV, but designed in a way to be a showpiece for art when it's not a TV. You turn the TV off and it becomes a digital canvas. They have some complementary artworks you can try, but what is important to me is that I can upload my own, which you can through their SmartThings app on the phone. You can also adjust the cropping of the image and the mounting style and the color. Really nice features. There's a nice bevel shadowing on the mounts that give you a realistic feel. The frame adjusts the lighting to a fairly decent setting that makes it look like a realistic canvas or a framed print on the wall. I found it looks good in most lighting conditions throughout the day, but struggles in some extremely contrasty lighting conditions. The frame itself is customizable. You can buy these magnetic clip-on veneers to give you the look of light timber, as I have, or other colors to match your setup. The frame has one single optical cable, which leads to a black box, which is where you connect all your extra devices. I decided to run my cable behind the wall to complete the art frame illusion. Some things you might need to consider. I think generally the mounting on the wall is designed for the US or European standards, because I had some issues in Australia. We use a thinner plasterboard here, so we couldn't mount directly into the plasterboard. We needed to go direct into timber studs, which weren't in the right spots, so we had to insert extra support timbers between the timber studs to support the weight. But was well worth it because the clean wall-mounted end result looks great. I've also not found a great way to upload video. You can plug a USB stick in with a video file, but there are limitations. A native looping video uploads would make a great addition to their app. It's obviously more expensive than just a printed frame, but way more flexible and updatable, and makes a lot of sense for me as a digital artist to be able to load and test how my art will look on a wall. And it looks fantastic. So let me know what solutions you found for your NFTs and crypto art, and I'll see you next time. Bye.